I had the pleasure of visiting Mahila and Nutan High School Robotics Center. Basically, the plan was to see the robotics center, various laboratories connected with the robotics. I attended their function earlier at Rabindra Bhavan. They had put up an exhibition where we had a glimpse of what this school is doing. Today, Mr. Sudin called me to actually see the functioning of the labs and all. See, I feel Prime Minister dreams of Vikasit Bharat by 2047. When he dreams of Vikasit Bharat, technology is going to play an important role in Vikasit Bharat, which he is always claiming. This is an era of technology, and in this, education in technology should start from exactly at the primary level. What this school is doing, and I must compliment the chairman and the managing committee and the teachers of this school. After seeing all this, I have realized that what we did in colleges, they are doing at the primary level, secondary level, which is a unique achievement. I would say that this is one of the first few in Goa who have done very well in the technology sector. So right from robotics, in everything, they have various labs for robotics, labs for coding, lab AI, everything. Today AI is playing an important role. One news on AI yesterday, share market went crashing. That indicates what is the future for us, and you have to be ready to face this future. I am happy that Mahila Nutan Marathi High School, their robotics center, is making young children right from primary level used to these things, which was earlier not possible. When I was in the school and I was in the college, we could enter the lab only at 11th standard. So that was the situation. Today, this is being done at the primary school, secondary school. So I think they have a bright future. Children also have a bright future. You do not know where they will land. My one friend son has landed in NASA, who has studied in Goa. Now, like that, we do not know. As I said that, as Mashelkar says, Raghunath Mashelkar always says that you do not know what is the future of these children in today's age. Today, somebody from Mahila Nutan may land in NASA or some other this, where they will take the name of the school also and they will take the name of the state also. So it is honor for the school and it is honor for the state.
When the sensor identifies the correct user, it sends a signal to a relay. This relay acts as a switch, triggering a servo motor to pull the bolt that can unlock the door. All of this happens in less than a second.
This is the door lock system, and this is the Arduino Uno. We have done this code in Arduino IDE.
This is keypad door lock system. Using an Arduino, we have built a device that grants access only to authorized users. I will show you now how it works.